Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Everyday Work From Home Mom. That's me, Jamie. Today I am starting a new series called Couponing Tips Tuesday. Tuesday's tips. If you are new to saving money while shopping, then this series is designed to help you learn all the tips and tricks that I've learned over the months that I've been doing this. I do a lot on this channel, and it's all about balancing my life, my family, college, homeschooling, my little one, and maintaining my business while writing new books and staying healthy. If any of that interests you, then subscribe and be part of our family. I just started couponing because inflation is hitting us, and the threats of shutdowns over the pandemic just makes me believe this was an important part of maintaining balance and reducing stress in my life. So let's jump into today's super important tip. Today's couponing is not your mother's couponing anymore. What I mean by that is couponing is a very digital, and most deals can be done digital without buying newspapers anymore. You can still buy the paper, but digital apps that I'll be talking about today kind of eliminates the need unless you're going to do extreme couponing. I'm going to show you an example of all digital deal at the end of this video that gets you 2 free items, and it's a money-making $41 purchase from CVS to show you how you can stack coupons through different apps. Now the deal is only good through December 25th. Deals change weekly, so be sure to subscribe so I can share new deals with you every week. Couponing takes time, and I try and help reduce that for you as much as I can when I share the deals with you. This is a great deal, and I will do the breakdown for you at the end of this video. Apps. First, you'll want to have apps for each of the stores that you shop at. This channel focuses on 4 main stores: Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, and Fry's, which is a subsidiary of Kroger, and many of the deals apply to both stores. Please note that deals are regional sometimes, so you'll always want to check your apps before purchasing to make sure your deal is the same. It could be more, it could be less, it could not exist. Next, you will want to download the rebate apps that I've linked them all down below in the video description box. Please use my referral code. It really helps us out, and we'll both get something special. The apps that I use weekly and recommend are coupons.com app, Checkout 51, Shopkick, Swagbucks, Ibotta, Flues, Inbox Dollars, Rakuten, and Fetch. Fetch has made some changes in privacy and has created a little negative press for many, but I've linked up a video that explains how to keep your privacy in that app. So Fetch is still a great app. They're just trying to get more social, and it has created a little concern for some people. People are very concerned about their privacy. If you're concerned about the social aspect of this new social aspect, then please watch the video linked below to keep your account private. Scroll down, download the apps, and let's talk about each one quickly. I will suggest using one specific email for every app, and the best process is to start a new one dedicated for just couponing. This will be one that you will use to sign up for all your promos like Activate Rewards, P&G, Dove, etc. We will discuss that in another video coming very soon. So please note I have videos dedicated to each of these apps individually, so this will just be a real quick overview. CVS app will give you digital coupons that are either manufacturer or CRTs. Some of these are thresholds, like spend 40, get 8, which is an example that I'll be sharing at the end of this video. Some are BOGOs, some are off certain products, and most of these are stackable with manufacturer coupons, digital or paper. Again, there will be videos dedicated to just CVS couponing basics coming soon. Walmart is about scanning products to find discounts and deals that are unmarked. Also, if you have purchases that are not linked to the rebates apps, then you can do online orders and have products delivered to your door for free as long as it's over $35. We'll have a dedicated Walmart video coming soon as well. Fry's or Kroger will have digital coupons every week, as well as cashback coupons every week. Stacking these with rebates can really create big savings. And Walgreens offers digital and perk rewards, as well as tracking your Walgreens. So whatever store you shop at, just make sure you download the app. If there's an app available, there are always going to be some good deals there. Now let's move on to the rebate apps. Ibotta has the best high-value rebates, and most at many different stores. You can do online and in-store rebates on this app. It is pretty simple to use. Just scan the product in the store to verify it's on rebate offer, then clip it after you purchase, scan the receipt, and the money will be added to your account, usually right away, sometimes within 48 hours. Then at $20 or more on your account, send the money to your PayPal account and use for your next purchases. Fetch is also really great. This one doesn't require any work though. Simply scan the receipt and the rebates will be applied to your account. Every receipt will earn you something. Then you can use the points to purchase gift cards. In 2 months, I was able to purchase $90 in gift cards on this app, so it's a really great app to use. Rakuten is something I use for most of my online purchases, especially my all digital deals at Walgreens. There are various cashback percentages available for various stores, and it changes often. So just open up the app and see what's new. I usually do this at least once a week, if not twice. Flues offers cashback deals off purchasing of gift cards. These vary week to week and store to store, so be sure to check this one regularly as well. I'll be doing individual videos on all of these, like I've mentioned before. They'll be uploaded in January 2022. If you're watching this after that, then check out the Rebate Apps playlist on my channel to learn in greater detail about all the apps discussed here. Inbox Dollars offers a lot of different programs, from playing games for points to turning into gift cards to printing manufacturer coupons to scanning deals. Download this one and see all the great ways that you can earn. You can also find similar promos on Swagbucks. Many people use Swagbucks over Inbox Dollars. I use both. The key here is that you can only use one or the other for one rebate deal. You can't use both of them on one rebate deal. You can choose to use Inbox Dollars or Swagbucks for that one rebate deal. Shopkick gives you kicks for walking into some stores, scanning products on shelves, and rebates when you purchase. It's a great app as well. Some other really great apps are Checkout 51 and Coupons.com app. These offer coupon rebates. Simply purchase the item, clip the coupon on the app, scan the receipt. Many of these apps have matchup items so that you can really stack up the savings. I share all these deals on the channel all the time, so again, please subscribe. IL used to be one as well, but I'm hearing that this one is going away. I'll keep you posted when more become available as well. Let's talk about the deal I promised at the beginning of this video. Right now, good through 12/25/21, CVS is offering the Colgate Whitening Overnight Pen for $36.99. If you purchase this product at CVS, you will receive a $20 extra care buck, which is a store credit that can be used on future purchases. I usually just roll these from week to week, so I have very little out of pocket on my CVS deals. That is like getting $20 cash back for this purchase. And I also have an $8 off 40 CRT on the app, so adding a snack pack of Rind for $4.99 will bring my total for this purchase just over $40, and the $8 will be taken off the register before paying, which will bring my subtotal to $33.98 out of pocket. For me, I'm going to be using extra care bucks and Flu's gift card to reduce that out of pocket. Now let's talk about how the rebate apps is going to bring this into a money-making deal. $33.98 is out of pocket. Again, you can roll your extra care bucks or gift cards to reduce the out-of-pocket actual cash. Coupons.com app has a $10 cash rebate, which is pretty instant in most cases, and deposited directly into your PayPal account once earned. That puts this purchase down to $23.98, and I am using a $10 Flu's gift card, which earned me $3.75 from Flu's, bringing my total down to $20.23. Take away the $20 extra care buck, bringing the cost of both of these products down to 23 cents. Then submit the receipt to Ibotta for a $3 rebate on the Rind, making both products free and a $2.77 moneymaker. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. This is a 100% all digital deal and a moneymaker too. You can do these too. I share these deals with you every week on my channel. Be sure to subscribe, and I will share with you as many deals as I can. So make sure that you click that bell so you get notified when new videos become available. I can help you along the way on your couponing journey. We can help each other. Let's become part of a couponing family. Download the apps below. Please use my referral codes so both of us get a little extra for that. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.